back to another episode. Unfortunately, not a fishing one this one. Just checking out the conditions again. It's been like this for far too long where I live. Howling winds, we've had pouring rain, and heaps of swell on. So haven't been able to get out and do much. Fresh water's been flooded out. Salt water just unfishable. So what I have done instead is I've just been going through some archival footage and picking out my top 5 pummelings off the rocks by waves for 2021. I'm sure you'll get a bit of a giggle out of them. They range from just a light sprinkling at the start to an absolute caning at the end. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Here they are, my top 5 smashings on the stones for 2021. Go on, Doc, let's go. Righto, now before you go getting all excited, it would be very remiss of me to do a section on rock fishing and not cover off safety. Rock fishing is an inherently dangerous activity. I've been doing that for a long time, and you'll see shortly I still get hammered. You still get caught out no matter how good you think you are. It is very dangerous at times. So a couple of tips that I can pass on are: never fish alone if you can avoid it. Know your ledges. Where I fish, I know them fairly intimately because I started fishing there when I was a young bloke. Know your exit points in case you do go in. By that I mean, if you do get washed in, think to yourself, where am I going to get up if I have to? Is it a swim into the beach, or is there a protected rock where the swell's not getting in as much that I can get up? Just think about those things in your head before you start your session. Wear good shoes. I did an earlier segment on tailor fishing with Laurie, and he had a special type of rock fishing cleat shoe, which has a lot of advantage over just a pair of Dunlop volleys or runners. If you are unsure about the conditions and your abilities and what have you, I thoroughly recommend one of these. Now there's plenty of arguments, which I'm not going to get into, about whether to wear a life jacket or not, what type of life jacket to wear or not. I personally don't wear one, but like I said, I know my ledges, I know where I get out. And people can say, yeah, what if you get hit in the head? But if you get hit in the head, regardless of what life jacket you're wearing, you're pretty much buggered anyway. And that's the inherent danger in rock fishing. But these are a great idea. These are a waist belt PFD. They're a great idea because they're unobtrusive. You wear them around your belt like a bloody man bag, or whatever they call them, bum bag. And then they're around your waist if you do go in and need them. It's just a simple matter of putting it around your neck, pulling that, and away you go. Fish with a buddy, I mentioned that one. Know your spots, and if the conditions are too iffy, just don't do it. No fish is worth it. And that's another thing I guess I should bring up, is when you've got a good fish on, it's very easy to fall in the trap of getting caught up in the moment and paying too much attention to the fish and not the waves or conditions, and that's where you will get caught out. Righto, that's enough of the serious stuff. Take it easy out there if you're on the rocks. Be safe. Here they are, my top 5 pizzlings for 2021. See you next episode. Bye for now. There's a big splash out there, but it's dolphins. Okay, that one got me. Oh, that one got me well and truly. Watch these bloody waves. Pull the hook. Bugger. Like that. I don't do that. Fucking hell. This way. Alright. No, I'm not fishing that. Good spot to be in. That's what you call getting totally fucked up on the rocks.